say that because a lot of people don't think it's music, and those people are boomers. But I can't entirely disagree with him, because I listen to this shit too. I have to, because I make it, and then I put it out there on the internet for people to spit upon it, but I still do that all for you mental ills. Cause it occurred to me back when that orange motherfucker first got selected, and they're all selected, by the way. The Democrat and the Republican Party are the same. Okay? I got y'all to fight over nothing. But it occurred to me that everybody would be crazy. So it was up to me, and only me apparently, to show you how it's done. And no, none of this shit will ever be overcome or outrun. I'm just showing you, not just telling you, cause there ain't nothing that I'm selling you other than eternal life. And I'm not one of those prosperity Christians, if you can even call them that. You can say the whole point of religion is to make money, and you're not entirely wrong. You can say the whole point of religion is to control everybody, and you ain't entirely wrong. I think the whole point is to make money. I think the whole point is to control everybody. They just use religion to do that. They use politics to do that. They use modern medicine to do that. They use technology to do that. You know, did I already say that one? I can say it again. Technology is everywhere, and it's taken over the entire world, and everybody knows that, but nobody wants to do anything about that except those of us select few that actually know what to do, or specifically know what not to do. Get a smartphone. Fuck that. Let me show you. Okay. Show, don't tell, right? But I show and tell, and I do it oh so well. I can't not, cause this is what I got. You can take it or leave it, most people leave it, and I don't blame them for walking away, cause they didn't like what I had to say. Well, at least I was honest. Most people don't like that, or they just don't agree with you. Right? That's okay too. Isn't that cool that we live in America? I really do appreciate what this country offers. But I also see the deception that surrounds us daily. And that deception involves the history books. That deception involves what they're telling you to look at. Don't look at whatever they're telling you to look at. Look at all the other shit. Okay? I always ask myself the question, why do they want me to do this? I always ask myself the question, why don't they want me to do that? That's why I smoked a lot of pot, because it was illegal. Now that it's legal, I don't smoke it anymore. It's a personal principle. It just hasn't been fun since they legalized it. Can't help but notice that. I'm like, wow, it sucks now. It sucks now. It actually smells worse. Because of all the chemicals. You know, this coworker of mine, we were talking today about the little Debbie cakes and how much better they used to be when we were kids. Yeah, whatever they're dumping in the food, they're really dumping it in the food now, dude. You know what's even cooler today than this conversation about little Debbie cakes? I had this conversation with a bunch of white people and black people about racism, and we were arguing, but nothing happened. We still came to a consensus, and we could agree on more than we disagreed on. And I was thinking, they can't do this shit on the internet. And the internet doesn't want us to have these conversations, and the politicians don't want us to have these conversations, and all these pundits, the people making money off of us fighting over stupid shit. They definitely don't want us to have these conversations. And the lefty-loosies and the righty-tighties, they're not loose about things that make sense to be loose about, and they ain't tight about things they should be tight about. Does that make sense? No, it don't, but they won't reevaluate. Hopefully this channel will teach you how to reevaluate the world that you live in, reevaluate the relationship that you have with yourself, reevaluate the relationship that you have with your creator. And I promise, it could be even greater than what you allow it to be. And that's why I do this, that's why I do this, 'cause a part of me definitely don't choose this. It has chosen me. I'm glad it does, sometimes, other times, not so much, but I guess I'm a human or something. I have mixed emotions, isn't that crazy? Mood swings. What is that? A mood swing? What is that? Yeah, you changed your mood? Holy shit, dude. You're not just I'd rather be interesting. Let me tell you a little secret. People that are actually interesting don't have to make anything they do a thing, or anything that they believe or don't believe. They don't have to tell you. They're too busy doing it. Leading by example. You love the environment, go pick up some litter or plant a fucking tree. Go plant a fucking tree. Stop running your mouth and go plant a fucking tree. If you hate racism, go talk to another race.